Today, I will explain the installation process of the magnetic suction wave plate for the Benz triangle mouth. First, prepare the magnetic wave plate and the toolkit, and bring 2 screwdrivers. The first step is to locate the airbag opening. There are usually 2 openings for the airbag. Use a screwdriver to poke a few times, and the airbag will pop out. Once the airbag is out, you'll see 3 screws. Remove them. Take out the cover plate. You'll see 2 screws here. Unscrew them. Remove the decorative cover, using some force. There are clips on both sides. Pull them out. Unscrew the lock, remove the original paddle, and replace it with a new magnetic paddle. Make sure to go through the second larger hole. Tighten it back up. Reconnect the clip for the paddle wire, and repeat the same for the plus paddle on the right.